scrap metal to private jet luxury in record time.
Left behind and forgotten. Significant tearing along the frame near the rear access panel.
Copy that. Structure is compromised.
But we had a plan. Section first.
Okay, focus on the bolts highlighted in red.
I'll start prepping the cutting tools. Final checks complete. She looks perfect. Yeah.
Agreed. I'm finalizing the sign-off now.
Pre-flight checklist complete. Ready for startup.
Confirmed. Let's get these engines running.
Back where it belongs.
From forgotten to flying again.